Welcome to MATLAB Lesson 11. Today, we're diving into the powerful concept of functions. Functions are reusable blocks of code that perform a specific task. They are essential for writing clean, modular, and efficient MATLAB scripts. Think of functions as unlocking the power of reusable code. You write it once and use it anywhere. The first step is understanding how to define a function in MATLAB. It starts with the function keyword. The basic syntax for defining a function includes the quote, function keyword, an output variable, the function name, and any input arguments. The function body contains the actual code that performs the task. This is where the magic happens, utilizing the input variables to calculate the output. A MATLAB function must always be terminated with the end keyword. This tells MATLAB where the function definition stops. Let's look at a simple example, a function called myadd that adds two numbers. It looks like function out equals myadd, ab, out equals a plus b, end. Crucially, you must save your function in a file where the file name matches the function name. For myadd, save it as myadd.m. Once saved, you can call your function directly from the MATLAB command window, passing the required input values like myadd53. To wrap up, you now know how to define a basic function in MATLAB. But what's next? For better organization, remember to save all your function files in your own designated script folder. Join us for the next lesson, where we'll explore anonymous functions, a concise way to create simple functions without an M file.